We'll guide you through how to screen record on an iPhone 16. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to be able to do because you can go and capture what's happening on your iPhone screen, and you can go and even have your mic captured as well, so you can speak over it. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started with this. So what we need to do is we need to go to the top right of your iPhone. There you can go and see the battery, and you need to go and drag down on it to open the control center. Now what you need to do is in the control center is you need to go to the top left and you'll go and find the plus icon and tap there. Then what you need to do is go down and press add a control, and you can press search and type in screen recording, or just go down and find it. You shouldn't need to go far, and there it is. Then you can go and tap in the blank space, and what you want to do is you want to go and tap and hold on the icon. So you want to go and choose photos to go and save it to, and you can choose whether you want the microphone on or off at the bottom, whatever off. Then you can go and press start recording. You have a countdown at the top, and you can go and tap off of it, and you're now going to go and be screen recording. So record what you want. When you're finished, you can then go and tap on the recording bar at the top. You'll go and see how long you've been recording for, and you can press stop. It'll then go and be saved to your photos. So you can go and open it up, and as you can see, there is the recording. And you can actually go and in the future just drag down, and you can just go and press it like that, and it'll go and start recording. You don't always have to go and long hold it as well. So it's that simple to go and screen record on an iPhone 16. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos. We publish these every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you again. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you soon.